Can AI fix my photo in under 10 seconds? Let's find out with Nano-Banana, Google's new image editing model. It's free to try, no Photoshop needed. Today I'll show you how to use Nano-Banana AI to turn any photo into a studio-level edit, step by step. Open your browser and search Google Studio AI. Click the very first result, Google AI Studio. It usually loads the Nano-Banana model automatically. If it doesn't, look to the right panel and select Nano-Banana model. Done. Now click Chat Area. Hit the plus icon and upload your image. You can add multiple reference images if you want consistency. In the prompt box, tell it exactly what you want. The more specific, the better. Pro tips: be specific. Mention color, lighting, mood. Say what to keep. Keep face identity, keep hand pose. One change at a time, then iterate. Need a clean cutout? Add transparent background or plain white studio background. All done? Now click Generate and wait a moment. Your result appears at the bottom. Click to zoom in or hit the download icon to save. And that's Nano-Banana in action. Crazy fast, totally free, and super powerful. Try it yourself and show me what you make. Drop your wildest prompt ideas in the comments. I'll test the best ones in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe to Code with Lasa. Happy editing!